Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Michelle, and today is a new day, a new week. It's literally mid-August and here I am. I got ready to go out, so I'm in search for the viral thing that's going on in Primark. If you guessed it, you may guess it right, that I'm going to see something viral that I just saw on TikTok and I need that in my cart. So why not just go? Also, I have a few things to return as well, but it's gonna be a low-key kind of fast move. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time. And here is my outfit of the day. I just wore denims, bodysuit, jacket, and my sambas are here. So this is my outfit, and I also want to give a nice haircut because it's grown too long and it feels like I don't have any cut or so. It just feels like very straight, and I haven't done anything. Just I took a shower last couple of no just 2 days ago, and this is my hair. I haven't straightened nothing, so we'll just go quickly. Also carrying my long shampoo with me, and it fits my outfit really well. It really goes well with this outfit. So yes, let's hunt for my cute pajamas that I saw in Primark, and it's all over my TikTok, and I thought I need this. I don't know what's the thing about going viral about them, because there's nothing much as such. It's just like blue pajamas with all croissants and breakfast on it. So I feel like I need one of those, so let's just go. And here is my outfit once again, so let's go. And I'm finally out and about, so the weather is pretty good. It's actually really hot, so I'm just gonna walk to the bus stop as I have to take this bus, and it's really very hot. So first let's go church. It's 15th of August today, so I'll hear mass and then go to Westfield. So I came in here. This is our St. Michael Church. So made it to the train station, and let's just go quickly. I'm feeling a bit rough now. I don't know, it's really very hot. So my train is here, so let's go quickly, as I always travel to this place multiple times. So first let me get a pizza, pepperoni pizza from Greg's, and I got this. It's a really very yum. Also, I can't, I never forget to take pictures around this corner. It's really very beautiful. So let's go take the other train to Hammersmith. From Hammersmith to Wood Lane, that's where we go to. So made it here at the train station, and finally made it to Westfield, and it's really very hot. So I came in to search for the viral Primark pajamas, so hopefully I may have that. Also spotted this home decor section right here. It's so pretty. Just look at the decor, these pillows, the tables, and all of the decor that we actually need. It's really hard to decide. Then I came into H&M Home, and I spotted something with red labels, so I just instantly just came in here to see something if I could find in my size, but there was nothing I could find. Also, checks are one of my favorite prints ever. It's so in trend now. They had all different colors in checks. I spotted this pink one as well, but it did not catch my eyes. Also, this section here is really very pretty, and those printed cushions, I got one of those. Also, speak French fries, really very cute. And this section reminds me of Primark because they have similar kind of things. Also, this pink plate right here is 9.99, which is really very expensive. So yes, I love coming to H&M Home because they have really good stuff.
Thank you very much. And your zip is
Thank
Sancho
you.
Yumas.
Sure.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. You too. And now let's go up. Let's go see my Primark viral pajamas. Hopefully they have it. Hopefully. So I made it to Primark, and let's go see. I directly came into the decor first, so I'll just take around here and then go on the other side. So eventually they did not have any of those available. Everything was out of stock, and this made me really sad. So I just came into the home decor section and spotted these napkins right here, which were really cute. Also, this plate right here, they had just one, so I'm getting one of that. And here is my Primark shopping. So with this, I'm just gonna go home because I'm really too tired. It's just so funny that I went to Westfield and just went to Primark and H&M, and that's it, nothing more. And good morning, guys. It's the next day, so I woke up and off to get my laundry done. So I was just playing with this thing right here and it just spilled all over. So I had to like clean it. So here is the kitty cat. She woke up. She wakes up every time around like 7ish, and now we are just playing around. So I'm just gonna make my breakfast for now. I am so in craving for something nice, so I'm just gonna make some tea with some toast and egg. That's it I usually have every time, and my comfort meal actually. So I'm just gonna have this and also like do my home things. I haven't done anything. Also I have to like go out, so let me do this first. And first let's have breakfast. So after breakfast, I quickly came down and I'm just gonna put my clothes out to dry. But eventually, hopefully, it won't get dried because the weather looks really dull. So let's just put it outside, and that's my duty in the morning. So I like wake up early so I can do my things really quick. And yes, after this, we are heading out to High Street, to Hounslow High Street. So let's go quickly. Hey you guys, welcome back. So it's the next day and I'm just heading out. I don't know where, but I have to like go and return my H&M stuff. So it wasn't really good and it was like not fitting me. It was a lovely dress, so I had to like return that. Also I want to give a nice haircut because my hair has been really messy. I don't know, somewhat it doesn't look nice. It like just look, it doesn't have any sort of shape. So I'm just gonna give a sort of a bit of trim, and then I also maybe have to like return a Primark night suit. So yesterday I went to Primark and I was like, I went in search for the viral pajamas, but I could not find it because it was out of stock, literally out of stock. All the things they had was last year's, like what I was, not last year, just 6 months ago, everything from those collections, but nothing that I went to search for. So it was this one right here. I'll just put a picture right here. It was this pretty night suit full of breakfast and sort of stuff, but I couldn't find it. I thought like I'll go to Hounslow High Street and look for those, but they didn't have it in the store. But thought of buying it online, like a collect and pick sort of thing, but I don't know, it was not showing me. It was saying stock not found, but let's see, hopefully I find one of those are like going so viral. So yes, I don't know, lately my videos are going literally down. I'm not getting any views, no, not very consistent. I don't know, once I film it, the later few hours I just tend to forget that I was even filming. So those kind of things are happening to me. Also, I have to do a lot of stuff. I have to get a bit of groceries, like just bread, milk and stuff. So yeah, I just go and come quickly. I'm getting a sneeze. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be raw and real. So yes, I'm just gonna go and rush quickly because it's already 11, so I have to go really quick. And see you in a while. Let's see what haircut I get. Probably just a U-cut with some bangs. That's it. See you. And so my outfit is all ready. I'm just gonna wear some casuals just like always. Anywhere I go, I just wear this kind of. I need to actually change my style. I don't know, I don't dress up. I have a lot of clothes, but I don't style it really well, of course. So I have to like learn a lot of stuff. So anywhere I go, I feel like this outfit is very comfortable. So I'm just gonna wear this jacket and my tote bag, also my sambas which were inside for a long time. So I'm just gonna wear this and quickly let's go. Let's rush. Also the weather is kind of really cool today compared to yesterday, so yeah, we'll quickly just run. Also my nails look really nice. So and I'm finally out, so we're just gonna go quickly and come back soon because I have to like cook as well. So got the bus and I'm first like gonna go to TK Maxx because I want to like see something that I saw on TikTok the other day. So I spotted these cute mugs that we actually get it on Shein and Temu, kind of the same. And also came into my favorite section, which is we get all these cute little jars, and these like absolutely look very cute. Look at this pumpkin one, but it did not look nice and clean. And came into these cushions where we get for affordable prices, like you get it for 15 to 16 pound a pair, or even 20, can't even say. And then I went in to search my viral white dressing gown, but they eventually did not have it, and I wanted in a medium, so they did not have that one. So came into this store Bleach, and I wanted to get a nice haircut because I haven't trimmed in, I think so, in 9 months. So I just wanted to like give a nice cut. Then after that I went into qualities and got my few groceries from there. So picked up a few things and then rushed to Aldi because I need some really good stuff because I get my bread and milk from here. So came into Aldi first and also like spotted many different things. Picked up things what I needed, and just nothing much but just something basic essentials. So came in here and got everything I needed. So yes. And now let's go home after almost 3 hours. I don't know how long did I even take, but let's go soon. I can't wait to reach home. I also have to like make rice and stuff. And then it's currently 5 p.m. right now, and I'm just craving for something nice for tea. So I'm just gonna make this vermicelli. Nothing much, but just plain, no milk, nothing, but just water and sugar and ghee, of course. So it tastes much better like this, and I like it having like this because I don't like it with milk. So I'm just gonna have this, and here it is. Just made it really quickly, so I'm just gonna enjoy this one. And good morning, it's currently the next day. It's early morning in 3:30 in the morning, so I just woke up to go for work. So I'm just gonna have some tea with the bread, nothing much, and just gonna make some coffee in the for later on. So I'm just gonna do this and get dressed and go to work. So but coffee first, and not for me, but I'm just like doing it. Also, Kitty is right here. She just woke up. She is in her sleep, so just taking some videos of Kitty and headed out to work now. Also gonna take the N9 bus, which drops me really quick. It's just directly to Heathrow. So just left for work now and on my lunch break, so I'm just gonna have this. And after that, I came in from work and we are just gonna go out for a movie. So it's movie day, so we'll just go out. So we are going for a movie, which is War 2. And firstly, I was craving something nice, so I wanted to have Thankyou, so came into Krishna Vada Pav first. So we just had this snack, and then there was just 30 minutes left, so I went to Primark and I got a nice jumper. And then about we had about 45 minutes, so came into B&M and they had really good stuff. I came in here after so long, so spotted nice cute home decor items, and look at these pillows right here. And also this section looks really cute, really affordable, everything in about 5 to 7 pounds or even way cheaper than that. So look at this section right here, it's so cute. Like, I can't even wait to like get one of these. And also this lemon, you know placemats for table, it's really cute. And then we finally went in to a cinema and we're just gonna watch a nice movie today. So here we are, finally made it here. It's just like 1 minute distance, nothing much. So we're gonna watch War 2 today. Let's see how it is. And I'm also really sleepy because I woke up quite early in the morning. So firstly, I'm gonna get an ice cream from Baskin Robbins, and I'm just gonna get a nice one because I'm not a big fan of ice cream because I tend to fall sick. So I'm just gonna get this one, and it was so good. I can't even tell you. I wish I could just eat every time. And yes, so the movie is about to start. And yes, hope you guys like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next one, guys. Till then, take care. Bye.